I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a baklava mask. First, gather your simple ingredients: 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of finely ground walnuts or almonds, and a half teaspoon of olive oil. These natural components will help nourish your skin. Make sure your nuts are ground to a very fine powder to ensure a smooth, gentle application. Now let's mix our mask. In a small, clean bowl, combine your 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of finely ground nuts, and a half teaspoon of olive oil. Stir these ingredients together gently until they form a smooth, uniform paste. The consistency should be easy to spread, not too thick or too runny. With your face freshly cleansed, it's time to apply the mask. Using clean fingertips, gently spread an even layer of the baklava-inspired mixture over your face, being careful to avoid the delicate eye area. Allow the mask to work its magic for about 10 to 15 minutes. This gives your skin time to absorb the beneficial properties. After the recommended time, gently rinse the mask off your face with lukewarm water. Use soft, circular motions to help exfoliate your skin. Once all the mask is removed, pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Finish by applying your usual moisturizer to lock in the hydration and leave your skin feeling wonderfully soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.